Hello and welcome to the Building Sheriff Tips and Tricks DIY like a pro. Today we are going to learn how to cut copper tube, lovely copper tube. Plumbers call it tube, we call it pipe sometimes, with a pipe slice. So take a look at the pipe slice there. Now these are available in different sizes, but most plumbers will have a 22mm old 3/4 and a 15mm old 1/2 inch. There you go. Now these will be available in the link in the description. They're very, very simple. There are different types. You can get types where you have to screw it in. You'll get ones that will do the 15 and the 22 together. However, I swear by having two of these. 22mm tube. Here we go. This is very simple. There is a wheel. Let me bring it around 1 second. There's a wheel inside that you can see there, and there's a spring and some rollers on that side. We just see in there? I'll get some light on it. There we go. And very simply, you mark your pipe. So you want your cut is going to be there. That's your cut. There's a center line on this thing. See the center line there? And you line that up with your pencil mark and push it into the spring. There you go. And that's held now. Now it's simply a case of rotating that and this. Keep rotating, keep rotating. Now inside there you will see a little score mark. And what you do is you are compressing that, cut, rotate, 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 and you just keep rotating, and then it just falls apart. And you get your two beautifully cut edges. That's a cut edge. But actually, that's interesting because if you see the uncut edge, when you buy the tube, it's quite sharp like that, and that doesn't really want to go into fittings so easily. You might want to put a bit of sandpaper on that. So once you've cut it, you just get this very smooth, easy to use edge. Right, we'll do the same with the 15mm pipe. No difference. Make your mark. There's the mark. 15mm, center line, clip it in, and then twist and twist. Hold this, keep twisting. There we go, keep twisting. Et voila. Perfect, very simple to use, absolutely vital for plumbers. The pipe slices, 15mm, 22mm. See you next time.